What's up guys? Today we are going to take a look at the best electric lawnmowers in 2022. Your grass is easier to trim when you have one of the best electric lawnmowers at your disposal. You can also enjoy the freedom of not having to pull a cord, replace fouled spark plugs, or store flammable fuel while reducing carbon emissions. For more information on these products, I have included links in the description box.
Let's start with the Greenworks 40-volt electric lawn mower. This Greenworks electric mower is powered by two 80-volt G-Max lithium-ion batteries, which are also suitable with the other G-Max powered lawn equipment. It operates on a single battery at a time and can cover roughly an acre of grass in half an hour of runtime offered by a single charge. This model has a wide 21-inch swath cut. It has the brand's Smart Cut innovation, which detects when the grass grows thicker and accelerates the blades, giving it the greatest overall place as one of the highest-rated electric lawnmowers. The mower also has a 3-in-1 mechanism that allows the operator to select between mulching, bagging, and discharging the grass cuttings. The large 7-inch front wheels and 10-inch back wheels enable mowing and maneuvering a breeze. When compared to self-propelled vehicles, the absence of drive motors for the wheels reduces weight and increases battery life. It is simple to push and maneuver even on sloping terrain and rugged terrain. Overall, it provided a more gas-like mowing sensation than the others, despite the lack of self-propulsion. With no gas and oil, or fumes, this self-propelled lawnmower requires almost no maintenance. Vertical storage allows you to use up to 70% less room in your garage. The second product on our list is Snapper Electric Lawn Mower. This Snapper cordless model does not disappoint customers searching for a strong and high-end electric mower. It is one of the finest battery-powered lawn mower choices, and it is powered by an 82-volt lithium-ion battery. This mower has a big 21-inch swath, which rivals some of its gas-powered competitors. This mower is bulkier than other electric mowers, weighing 72 pounds, but it has self-propulsion to decrease the weight. In terms of strength and overall user comfort, this mower is a leader. The mower has a push-button starter and 7 mowing heights ranging from 1.5 to 3.5 inches, suitable for most lawn types. There are large 10-inch wheels on the back, as well as a grass-catching bag, which discharges grass clippings either to the side or to the back. The mower is intelligent enough to increase power when necessary in harder grass regions while conserving battery life in simple cut portions, on hills. The step sense function, which boosts or reduces the self-propelled speed, is particularly evident. It works by applying push pressure on the handle. The mower travels quicker as you push harder. Until you get used to it, the mower might feel like it's racing away from you. Its sliding grip mechanism has a propensity to stick rather than slide freely. It weighs almost nothing and is easy to clean and does the job fast, effortless. Anyone can use this mower. This mower is a beast. At number 3, Sun Joe Electric Lawn Mower. With a 14-inch cutting swath and a rear-mount grass bag that collects clippings, this Sun Joe choice is among the finest corded electric mower alternatives. It has a 13-ampere motor and an additional backside discharging chute. Its adjustable cutting height of just over 1 inch to 2.5 inches makes it ideal for low-growing, warm-season grasses like Bermuda, zoysia, and centipede. With this plastic mower that is as eco-friendly as it gets, there is no need to store fuel or change spark plugs. Grass cuttings can be collected in a 10.6-gallon bag or discarded through a rear-mounted side discharge chute. The non-slip grip handle of the Sun Joe mower folds down for simple storage. The mower weighs about 30 pounds, making it one of the lightest versions of electric lawnmowers. While this mower is heavier and has a more powerful motor than the other corded mowers, it is also more expensive. For a more firm feel, the Sun Joe's handle is bonded to the body. All 4 wheels are the same size, making them less agile over rough terrain and in tight areas. Having said that, the stronger motor performed best in thick grass. It is lacking in a few comforts. This model is ideal for individuals on a tight budget who don't mind putting in a little more work. At number 4, Ego Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower. In all situations, the Ego Power Plus mower proved comfortable and simple to use. It includes feature updates characteristic of more costly versions, in addition to the ease of strong cordless operation. The 56-volt battery has a runtime of up to an hour per charge and recharges in 60 minutes. The self-propelled function easily adjusts to the appropriate speed by pulling a lever. Also, cutting power rises automatically as circumstances deteriorate, such as in thick weedy regions or tall grass. Ego also got the fundamentals correct. When not using the self-propelled capability, the huge wheels run effortlessly over difficult terrain and allow for simple manual operation. The handle adjusts easily to accommodate varying user heights and folds up conveniently for storage. With the included equipment, you can choose between rear bagging, side discharge and mulching. The simple speed adjustment for the self-propelled pace and a lever on the left side of the handle is appealing. But the drive engine seemed to be overly loud. More crucially, when compared to operating the mower manually, the self-propelled function cuts the battery life in half. That is one of the heavier mowers in the lineup, weighing in at 83 pounds. Because this mower only comes with one battery, purchasers may wish to consider purchasing a second battery for more duration and less charging time. At number 5, American Electric Lawn Mower. American Lawn Mower Company's corded electric mower delivers simple features at an affordable price. It has a 14-inch swath width and an 11-ampere motor. The cutting height may be adjusted from 1 inch to 2.5 inches, making it ideal for low-growing and warm-season grasses. This mower is ideal for folks who have tiny yards and little storage space. For easy handling, we enjoyed the non-slip grip handle. The huge 7-inch rear wheels and small compact body make pivoting and navigating tight areas a breeze. It also had no trouble cutting thick, weedy grass. It struggled with thick grass because the highest setting is just 2.5 inches, opposed to 3+ inches on either mower. The mower also has a safety shutoff if the operator lets go of the handle while mowing and folds down for easy storage. Set the mower to discharge clippings into a 16-gallon grass bag or to fall back into the lawn for use as natural mulch. To use the mower, users will require a 12 or 14-gauge external extension cord. Thanks for watching. We would appreciate your thumbs up and subscription. Click the bell icon to get notifications and to watch exciting videos. Did we leave off any best electric lawn mower in 2022? Let us know in the comments. Hope to see you guys in the next video.